Michael. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter. Thank you very much for your internet inquiry on one of our cargo vans and text messaging with you today. You said you may be interested in a crew van, so I wanted to take a video of this nice 2020 4x4 high roof crew van. It's got the LED headlights, and it's got our fog lights. This van also has your sensors in the front bumper. Has a camera right here, and I'll display that when we get on in the inside of the vehicle. It's got the 360-degree camera with the 10.25-inch MBUX system, which is really nice. It's got the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels, and there's cameras on the mirrors too. There's one right here, and then there's one on the driver's side in the same spot. So this crew van does have the black leatherette seating. In the crew van also, this seat is removable for more storage if you need it, or if you have more than 2 people that you want to go in the van. Also, these seats do recline. They recline about 6 inches for comfort. And then it's got the nice headliner in the ceiling. And it does have the waist-high paneling here in the back. It's got the wood floor with an anti-slip coating over it. So if your feet are wet or you got something slippery on your feet, you're not going to just wipe out on the floor. We'll come around to the back of the Sprinter. So this crew van has a really nice step for easy access in and out of the back of the van. Also, the backup camera is located just above the third brake light. And I'll demonstrate that too when we get in the van. You'll be able to see the bumper and see directly behind you. So this Sprinter's got the 270-degree doors as well. So they'll latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And then we can open them up 180 degrees, and they latch in place right there. And then they go all the way to 270. So they're almost up against the van. It's very nice. Also, the new Sprinter vans, 2019 and newer, and this is the 2020, is pre-wired for a trailer hitch. So you can actually add a trailer hitch to this. And on the 2500 series, you can tow up to 5,000 pounds behind your van. So now, Mike, we're going to jump in the cab of the van, and I'm going to go over some features and benefits inside with you. All right, Michael, so we're sitting here in the cab of the 2020 4x4 crew van. I want to start up here on the dash. So this is a storage compartment, but there is a wireless cell phone charging station right here. You can set your cell phone on this pad and it will charge your cell phone wirelessly, which is really nice. Also, there's 3 USB ports here. There's C drive, so you may have to get a different cord. All of our Mercedes-Benz are going to the C drive ports for our USB ports. And then we'll come down to this beautiful 10.25-inch system, MBUX. So we compare 2 cell phones. Really nice navigation system. Very clear, you can see it really good. We're really close to the ocean, so you can kind of see the ocean here too. And we can shrink this down, and we can also blow it up with your fingers. It's also voice controlled. You can pretty much tell it what you want it to do or what you're looking for. And then we have the AM/FM radio. And that's all voice controlled too. You tell it what radio station you want to listen to, and the system will set it for you. Now, Mercedes has a Pro connectivity setup. So once you purchase one of the new Sprinter vans, you can connect other media devices as well. Has an info center, has an app center, and the app center will become activated as well after you purchase the van. And then you have vehicle settings here. Also, this is a 4x4 high and low, so your 4x4 switches are right here. You have 4x4 high and 4-wheel drive low. And then the MBUX system I was just showing you, there's actually a mouse here on the steering wheel. You can control it with your thumb. This van has cruise control. It's located right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And my videographer will take a nice shot too here of the door panel. We have electric heated seats as well, and the driver's side looks just like that too. Heated electric mirrors and electrically folding, and there's a button here, you can fold the mirrors right in. So now, Michael, we're gonna take I'm gonna take you for a small test drive here around our parking lot. So we have a lot of vehicles here, and I always like to demonstrate how maneuverable the Sprinter vans are. So we have these cars all parked right here, and we can maneuver right through here without any difficulty at all. Turn the radio down so you can hear how quiet the Sprinter van is, especially with the headliner in this van and the waist high protection in the back. It quiets them right down, so it's almost like just driving a car. Very comfortable. And the 144 wheelbase fits in a normal parking spot, and I'm going to display that for you here in just a minute. We're going to put the Sprinter van back in its parking spot, and you'll be able to see the rear view camera, and I'll display all of that for you. All right, Michael, I'm going to show you this nice backup camera. So you can see the 360-degree view right here, and then you can follow the yellow lines as I'm backing it in back into its spot. And there's your front view camera, so we can see these Sprinter vans right in front of us. And then we'll go back in reverse. So there's a car right behind us. So this is really nice. This is really nice to do a video like this. So you can see the red line right here. We're going to put that red line right on the white line parking. So we still have lots of space between the van and the vehicle behind us. And then I'm going to show you some other views of our backup camera here too. So if you did decide to put a trailer hitch on, this camera helps you line up your drawbar. This is the backup camera we were just using. And here's a really nice wide angle so you can see more of your surroundings. This shows you your two blind spots. It uses those cameras on our rear view mirrors. And there's the front view that we used when we were pulling up to the Sprinter vans in front of us. And then there's a really wide angle view of what's in front of the van. So there's a lot of nice features with this backup camera. And Michael, I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 207-838-0169. Thank you very much. Have a great day.